Bill again. Today I'm going to do something that's so simple, but people don't understand all the steps and how you can kind of make it better, right? Because that's what I was trying to do. So this is basically just chili dogs, okay? Use your favorite hot dogs. I don't care what kind you use. I got some Nathan's in here. Well, so instead of grilling them, because I want the chili dogs to be all about the chili, I put a little butter in here, and I just want to get these kind of moving around. And really, in effect, what I'm doing is getting all the liquid cooked out. Now, you know, you can sear them a little bit, and yes, I think that looks really good, but the end product isn't going to matter. So, basically, I just flip them around for a minute, and need to get a little more heat in here. These hot dogs weren't quite thawed when I got them out. Keep them in the freezer. Buy them on sale. Keep them in the freezer. Just remember that. Alright. So, I got them dancing around right now. And hot dogs are a funny thing, you know. Only thing I can tell you is, please, don't put ketchup on a hot dog, okay? Ketchup is for burgers, mustard is for hot dogs, right? And I'm just kidding. Do whatever you want. It's okay with me. But my favorite thing is hot dog relish. You know, the relish with the mustard in it, mustard base. And to me, that's like yum yum. I also like sauerkraut. Of course, you know, as a kid, we used to go to this place called Jim Dandy's, and they had the best footlongs. And the thing that always cracked me up was they always had the little dishes with onion, little spoon in it, so you could put your onions on. And they sat out all day, right? You know, no one ever got sick from that. Relish too, you know. So just checking. So they're just starting to blister a little bit. That's fine. Just want to give them an extra minute or two because like I said, want to get that liquid out of there, right? That's all we're trying to do here. So the hardest thing for me to figure out many moons ago was I thought you had to have like a special style of chili to put on hot dogs. Well, it's not really true. You can use any kind of chili you want. I'm going to show you the difference. I can't do this with a spatula, I'm sorry. Not talented. I have to use my fingers and burn them a little bit. Oh yeah. Who's that Joey guy that always does the hot dog competition? He eats like 185,000 hot dogs. Can't imagine. I mean, I like hot dogs, don't get me wrong. When I was younger, I probably would have at least attempted to eat like 4 or 5. But and it actually made me try Nathan hot dogs when I saw the challenge. Alright, so I just see them kind of dancing a little bit, so I know it's plenty hot in there. So now what do I have to do? I got Bill's Chili, and I'm going to put a link obviously. And so what I need to do, I need to get some in here. I'm going to do it over top. Oh yeah. Just so you turn that down there, right? Plenty of chili for 3 hot dogs. So now it's the prop. Well, you get all this liquid, right? Especially because I had that in the freezer. So we have to kind of regroup and make this good again. thus the frying pan. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to get the hot dogs to really taste like chili. Because, you know, I got the best chili on the planet. And we're going to thicken it up at the same time. And just by stirring it around a little bit, you're going to see that. And this is just typical. You know, you freeze stuff, it kind of separates out. And we just need to get it right back together. Because, you know, I always put like some crumbled up Fritos, potato chips, whatever I got. You know, I save the bottom of the packet, the bag, and put them in a big bag, a Ziploc bag, and keep them in my pantry until I make chili. So I didn't want to splatter and make all that noise, so I turned it down. I did turn it up a little bit because this was still really cold from the fridge. So now we're just getting to the thickness back to the way I froze it, just by getting it started to heat through. And I'm not here to settle the argument of beans or no beans. I use beans. If you don't like it, just leave them out. That's fine. And I will link my chili recipe. It's really pretty straightforward. Alright. So, really quickly, and I'm speeding this up a little bit. Normally I'd be like, walk away on a lower setting, watch some TV, whatever, you know, play foosball, because we used to do that many, many years ago. And I would just walk away and let it do its thing. But because I'm in a hurry to get this video out, I'm never in a hurry. Y'all know that. I work diligently. Okay. So you can see a lot less water or liquid. And we're just going to bind this all up and make it really good to put on top. And this sucker's going to get too hot again in a minute or a second. So let's move on. So now what do we do? Well, I think I will turn it down just a little bit. Okay. I'll show you how to put this all together. First of all, certainly need to check on this. Oh yeah. It's so funny when it starts to cook down a little bit, man, it color darkens, gets right back to, oh yeah, what it looked like. This is how you revive chili, man. Because if you have it in the freezer for a long time, sometimes it just doesn't look as pretty. Alright, so I don't use a baguette for my hot dogs, okay? Yeah, I just got myself basic Wonder Bread or something, whatever's on sale. And I'm going to line it with cheese. Why do you think I'm going to do that? Because I don't want to ruin the bun. So now, I need about 20 seconds on some lower heat. I'm going to watch it real careful. 10, 9, just kidding, 8, 7. And you don't have to destroy it, because the hot dog's so friggin' hot. Doesn't that look beautiful? Alright. See how now when I move it aside there's like no liquid? We have achieved perfection. See that? Hot dogs are all swollen up from all that chili in them. So what do? I'm going to take one of these beautiful things in here. Spoon. Move over, we got more food to put on here. I lost a bean. But with tradition, the way it is, I always like to put some good deli mustard on here. I used to have a mustache, so to keep the mustard out of my mustache, top it with a little chopped onion. This is sweet onion. Look. Man. If that don't make you sing a song, nothing will. Isn't that beautiful? Want to make you hungry? I'm hungry. I was in a hurry to get something to eat for myself. And yeah, I'll probably eat all three of these, trust me. Okay, 2.5. I don't know, I'll see. But I just wanted you to see that this is really simple, really good. You put my chili on anything. What is it? Guy Fieri always says you could put it on shoe leather or something. He's kind of right about that. Anyway, thank you for your time. I know this is kind of a quick thing I threw together, but I wanted to make it for myself so I could eat it. And thank y'all for subscribing, watching my videos, getting up some high numbers. Still won't make any money, but that's okay because I do it for love. Well, I'd rather have money, but I'll do it for love for now. Thank y'all, and I'll see you next time with another video. Have a great day.